situation like this, where the lanes are empty, I would take the middle lane. So the people on the left of me and the right of me can take in the view. The right people with the right side to the cheek, the left people get the left side of the cheek, and you can, you know, wander your eyes, look at other stuff. But you get to see me in a kind of like a 3D way, you know? Being in this lane, knowing the other two lanes are empty and there's no traffic, but once traffic pops out, it's like I'm robbing them of that pleasure, and I think that's wrong, and it shouldn't be like that. La Policía? That's La Policia's hub right there. You see all those antennas and stuff like that, so they can see you when you're on the on the toilet. It's from Superstore. The government wants to spy on you while you're on the toilet. Oh my god, I love that show, Superstore. Who said it? It wasn't Marcus. It was Isaac. That episode where Jonah's doing the healthcare thing. I shouldn't be behind this guy because I do not trust him. All right, we're just gonna lane split. F it all. We're gonna lane split. See, I'm slowly remembering this is the one that's just uphill. So I will be lane splitting, which that's the fun of life of riding a motorcycle. But I should remember that when I do stop, it's an uphill battle. But if I can time it right, I won't have to stop. Can I time it right? I can't. I try to time it right. I can't. Yeah, see, I knew it. As soon as my leg went down, I don't want to go past the crosswalk area. What up, dog, in the Prius? I am what you couldn't be ever. You can look at me and pleasure yourself, because it's all you can ever do to be like me. Get close to me. Do me dirty. But those houses be nice all the way up top. But see, patches of the road like that where they did work, I don't know those things. I gotta ride on these streets, I'm serious. I gotta ride on the streets more often to figure those things out, because I got nut checked so hard right there. Red light, you crossed. No, you didn't cross the red light. Oh, I wish you crossed the red light. I could have gunned it, but I didn't want to gun it. I'm just not in that kind of way. Plus, the sun is shining like crazy behind me, so I can't really see behind me. Like, all the cars are kind of a blur in a way. I could really tell if I really cared about it that much, but we're not doing anything crazy. And it's not like there's a Lamborghini. Next to me is not. I thought if I would say that and look, it would be a Lamborghini right there. So it's happened sometimes. I won't lie. It's happened sometimes, but not always. So pick your poison. Just make it a juicy one. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ah, see, my wrist gang is weak. Because sometimes I can make Broly pop, and sometimes I just can't. Because I did it too less, or I did it too hard. So we'll get that back too. We'll get that back. I just ended the video like a while ago, but like I am still talking because I can't shut up. Oh, those two BMWs on the other side of the road, both of them were driving one in front of the other, and they both had antlers. Do they know each other? Question that I asked myself that I need to know. Do they know each other, or do the guy behind is running the guy in front of the BMW, he's running behind that BMW because he knows that they both have antlers, so he switched lanes so they both can be together like that. And they're just strangers trying to have a good time in life. We got a rider there, but he's on a chopper or whatever, so like I don't care for that. There is on the right lane over here. I'm telling you guys, this is the playbook, man. This is the goddamn playbook. That guy's test driving a Mercedes, by the way. Mercedes-Benz hub is up front, and that next slide make a right. This knowledge, man, I'm bestowing on you guys. I saw a chick do something right there at that street corner. If you guys can guess what it was like midday, sunsetish time, and I almost crashed because it looks so good. But yeah, on this right lane, when you continue after this intersection, see the words, see how precise I am with my words. Intersection, I didn't say traffic light. Intersection, moped. Chick? Nah. Think so? Maybe. No. But motorcycle helmet. Anyways, there's like a big crease in the road, like a big opening, like a thick opening where your motorcycle tire, the front one, not the back one, can get stuck and do this really weird, like crazy loopy-loop thing. So I'd never be in that lane, even if it's you're making a sex tape. You just gotta, I gotta remember where. Yeah, there it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. It is thick. And I guess it's on a bridge. They haven't fixed it. Oh my god, I was riding Nimbus, that's 1000 triple R, double R, and I got hit with it. Oh my god, my life flashed before my eyes, and well, turns out that I lived a pretty good life. A lot of females, but in a good way, not in like a weird pervert way, but in a way like a hobbyist, but in a good way, consensually. And as always, I will remember the time that I was here in this lane. There was a turbocharged Lambo in this place, and I was on Nimbus, and we made a sex tape, and my visor was up. Pretty sure you guys seen that video. My visor was up, he blazed it. He had a girl in the car, some white dude. He had a girl in the car and he wanted to, you know, like show off her or whatever. Wait. Yeah, he wanted to show off her or whatever. But he gunned it like this, well, more than this. Then he switched lanes on me. He was in front of me. There was a lot of gravel on the road. As he was gunning it, those rocks were flying and hitting me. Thankfully not in my eye or anything. I wasn't paying attention. Thankfully not in my eye or anything, but like around my eye I was getting hit with these small little pebbles that are being ricocheted because his tires going over it. And yeah, I got destroyed on that one. That sex tape, Nimbus got raw dog. I want to look at my tires right now because I'm going over dirt, so I wonder if my tires are all dirty right now. Probably not, probably maybe, probably yes. Probably okay, and I'm fine with it. I'm telling you, man, being on a bike, going to the same places, it's like you're seeing it for the very first time. And the only thing that I can keep telling myself is that why didn't I ride for so long, man? It is so much fun. It is so much fun. It's so free. Like, I'm out on the road, people are in these boxes. You know, think about it. People are in these boxes right now, these metal boxes, and I'm not. I'm sitting on something that's going faster than they could ever go in these little metal boxes. But I'm literally out there, you know, out on the street going. Like, people don't walk on these streets, well, crazies do. They don't ride bicycles, they don't do anything. You ride a motorcycle or you're in a metal box. But I'm out here. Even in a convertible ain't the same thing, man. You're within the metal box. You just got that top part missing, but you can put that back on if you wanted to. But I'm just saying, like, the feeling, man. I'm free. I'm literally just hovering on this little goddamn thing. I'm sitting on it, and Broly's just taking me, and I'm on for the ride kind of thing, man. This just blows my mind. She got sunglasses on the car next to me, but she's still looking from the corner of her eye to catch a glimpse of deliciousness. I don't know, man. I still want to own a strip club. See, I'd own a strip club, but I'd be the only stripper there. I was gonna lane split, but at the same time, I'm like, why ruin the ride and the vibe by lane splitting? Like, literally, cars are in metal boxes, and I'm literally out here. I can touch the wind. I can open my mouth and just take a big, just gulp it, just swallow it all whole. That's gotta mean something. That's gotta make you feel some type of way. I was gonna cut again, but I was like, nah. Little Asian boy in this car deserves some love. He deserves to be #1, you know. If I'm there, he probably not want. I feel like that. He's got a chick in the car too. He's got a chick in the car. He wants to gun it. He wants to, you know, make it look bigger than it is. Go for it, man. Do you. Go crazy. Like Chris Brown says, go crazy. That was pretty sad. He gunned it, but he couldn't. He got with the flow of traffic, but he couldn't go in front of the traffic like he wanted to, which I guarantee you wanted to do. He didn't want to just go with the flow of traffic and turn left. No. He wanted to beat him, eat him, and then fist him. That's one thing that makes me throw up. We're not going to talk about it, though. We're not going to talk about it. Camden, Maine, apartment homes. I wish I had a British accent, but like a British accent that I could turn on and off. Meaning I could learn the accent now and then just talk about it sometimes, not talk about the other times. How do you ride without a tinted visor? Like that dude right now who just passed by had a clear visor. That dude is going to little hell. The sun is setting and it's shining bright like a diamond. And that homie is just taking it in, and his eyes are bumping bellies with the sun. I was gonna say butt effed, but I'm not gonna say that. We are not gonna say that. Butt effed by the sun. Well, I can say butt effed, right? That makes sense. You don't have to say the actual F word. This girl made him switch lanes because she wanted to get a good view. She has that left side mirror, or the right side mirror. She wants to see me in it. Oh no, he got angry. He's like, no, you're looking at him too much. You're looking at him too much. So you switch lanes, so it'll be harder for her to look at her. But she's leaning over and she's still getting the good view. She's getting the cheeks. The front side of the left cheek is what she's getting. And he's mad. He doesn't like it one bit. But he can't say anything. He can't say anything. Because, you know, oh. That's for you, deliciousness. One time I was here on Nimbus. That's 1000, the new one. One time I was here on Nimbus, and there was a Porsche Panamera bread, with a girl, with a middle-aged dude, and his shorty on the side, blonde, white dude, white chick, blonde chick though, and we had some fun. Sex tape was made. Loitering, they heard me. Loitering. Lottery. Dude, if I won the lottery, you already know that strip club is just being built. Foundation's being put up, and I'm already in there. While the construction workers are in there working on it, I tell them to install just one pole in the middle, and I dance for them, which is how I pay them. So do I really need to win the lottery? No, because my body pays for itself, and for the things that I like, and for everything around it. It pays for itself. It pays for everything around it. Watch this, mother. That's the right lane. That's where it really hits. The nutsicles. Instead of testicles, nutsicles. Instead of popsicles, nutsicles. Instead of icicles, nutsicles. Make that into a word. Oh yeah. Actually, don't even make that into a word. Just make it into a rap song. Oh my Lord, go to hell, and I will see you there. I'm almost scared somebody will wait. Will open their door on me. You can never say it while you're lane splitting. I cut the previous off. You can never say it while you're lane splitting because this isn't gonna happen. Things I say usually come to fruition. I can't say it because my cheeks are squeezed. Fruition. I manifest these things, man. I manifest them. If right now I say I want to see a shorty just clapping and twerking it on this very section area, that's not gonna come true because I said it too early, but it'll come true. That's why I'm very careful with the stuff I say. Now, do I not want to see a shorty just clapping it, man? Not with her hands, but just clapping it. Do I not want to see that? I do, but I gotta control my urges, you know? They're not urges, they're desires. And not desires like I'm thirsty, I'm quenched. Boy's quenched. But I just would like to see that because it would make my eyes happier than they are right now, which they're very happy. I'm riding a motorcycle, I'm on Broly, she's warming up the cheeks. She is loud, but she's stock. So no la policía can get on me on that. You can't get on me on that, how about that, catch me? Girls that don't do girls, that shit I don't like. I can't remember the lyrics. She took half prenup. All my homies eat like a salad bar. All I do is kill. Murderers, kill time. I can't remember the damn song, man. Top of the gun, there is a scope. I close one eye, I look like a pirate. F it. What that? That's a magazine. That was a dirty bag, that was a nudie mag. I wonder how loud that is for you when I do that. I wonder how loud that is.